On the left-hand side, go to Brand, and here click Add Colors. So I do want to mention this is for Pro users only. If you're on the free plan, you have to upgrade to the Pro plan to be able to use this feature. So I'm going to come over here, click Add a New Color, click on the Pick a Color option, and if I hover over the image, it will give me the exact color that's being used in this image. So let's say I want this orange color to be part of my brand kit colors. I can click on this. And now on the left-hand side, this orange is now added to my brand colors. I can add another color, click on the pick a color option. And let's say I want this blue. And now this blue is automatically added here. And once I'm done, I can click Save at the bottom. Save changes. And now this color palette is automatically added to my brand kit. So if I want to change, for example, the colors here to be my brand kit colors, I can toggle back and forth between these two colors that I just used for my brand kit. I can also shuffle them in the background. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.